Okay, so you want to keep your chest up, come down into that squatting pose. Arms is pressed up against the knees. As far as how much you can lift, so we have our new product on the UpHold Nutriment site. We've done a poll. You guys say you want brownies, so we've been working hard to provide you with a nutritional brownie base. The benefits of this is not high in sugar, or it doesn't have a lot of added sugar. The dates chicory root and stevia help to sweeten up the bar. This bar only has 1 gram of added sugar, and the remaining sugar is all natural sugars. So that means that your body knows how to process this for energy. Unlike your traditional brownie bars that's loaded with sugar, this has a sustainable amount of protein, whey protein isolate. I'm sorry, my vegan friends. This is definitely for those of you who are omnivores. You're gonna benefit from that. And when you're on the go, you haven't had time to have a snack. Again, the protein in here is gonna help to sustain you. It has the almond butter in here, a healthier fat. Whoever orders your box of brownies, you automatically enter into our giveaway, which is we're giving away 2 Vitamix to 2 individuals, or 2 selected individuals. Visit upholdnutriment.com to enter, or just benefit from just having a healthier snack. One of the major causes of being skinny fat is not getting the adequate amount of protein. Sometimes we skip that when we're having our meals. It's more so carbohydrate dense. We want to get away from that, balance out with healthier, pure, clean, balanced protein. Guys, welcome to our warehouse/gym. Right now it's a mess. Kind of, we're putting things together, but one thing that we did accomplish was having the squat rack up so we can record content for you more often. And without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, progressive loading is so imperative before you get into your workout routine. As a woman, if you don't know what you're doing, definitely hire someone or have someone who's well versed in the gym to walk you through this routine, because you want to make sure that the bar is sitting correctly on your traps. Not on your neck, but on your traps, right? And sometimes you may need the cushion. I've been doing this for years now, so I've built some type of callus, so to speak, on my trap area. But if it's your first time, it may be a lot of weight because this bar weighs 45 pounds. One benefit of weight training, it has a multitude of benefits, but one benefit that really stuck out to me, especially now that we're aging, is the bone density. Weight training helps with bone density. So for those of you who feel like, oh, I'm too old, I can't weight train, no, that's a wrong way of thinking, because this is what's gonna help your bones stay healthy and strong. So one thing we can do is start off with the bar. This is a 45-pound weight bar. Before doing anything, to set up the bar is imperative, like for my height. So I already preset the bar for my height. I go underneath, check it out. Perfect for my height because it's sitting right on my traps. And then what's gonna happen is that front leg, I'm going to use it to like stand up, and that back leg helps to support. Step back, balance, right? My core is contracted the entire time. You don't want to stand in an awkward position. And now, go down, squat. So I'm going to do 3 sets of 10 reps. I might not go to 10 because this is really light and I don't like to waste time when it comes to warming up. So just gonna end it right here. So I'm gonna add some 10-pound weights. Okay, I might even go up to 20, but I just wanna check. Okay. Ground myself. Yeah, I need to go heavier. Ralph was saying in the background, he's like, you sure you don't want to go heavier? I'm like, no, I just want to test to see if 10 is all right. But I'm gonna go up to 20. See, that's what I was saying about egos when it comes to training in the gym. Sometimes people Just go right into lifting heavy. Biggest mistake, your body is not properly warmed up for the workout, training, and then you're setting yourself for damage in the long run. So you want to make sure that you can come back and train the next day. Squatting is a compound movement because it's working multiple muscle groups at once. And it's also functional. Step back. All right, this is good. And then breathing is another important one. You want to inhale, exhale at the top. Okay. Now I'm going to add the 35-pound plates. Please don't compare yourself to me because I've been doing this for years. It may be your first time or maybe you're not consistent when it comes to squatting. But often in my videos I get, Magda, how much are you lifting? How much do you weigh? Which, as far as how much you can lift, it's all relative. That felt good. Felt good. I feel like I haven't done that in a while, or lift that heavy in a while. Guys, I'm letting you into my raw workout. Like, this is really how I get down. And yeah, I'm letting you into it. Some of the reasons why some people struggle when it comes to squats or squatting, or some people suffer with a lot of knee issues, ankle mobility, or tight hips that may inhibit them from performing or perfecting their squat. And often a lot of reasons could be a contributing factor to that. You may have tight hamstrings. There's a multitude of reasons. I'm going to show you a few hip stretches that you can do before you're squatting, so to help to perfect your squat. So I'm going to grab the plate. This is a 10-pound plate. I'm going to come down into that squat so you can see how low I'm going. Almost like, what is that, child's pose. You want to keep your chest up, come down into that squatting pose. The arms are pressed up on the inner part of your knee. And then you can also sway from left to right. To get some ankle flexion going on there. And even just holding it for 15 seconds like this is definitely a challenge, but it's beneficial to help to open up those hips. Bend one leg, or you're gonna bend one leg in front, extend that back leg, and the leg that's bent in front, that's pretty much the hip that's being opened up. So you can come down, forearms, stretch it out even more, or to go even deeper, you can bring, or you can extend your arms further out. That can definitely help to open up those hips as well. Switch other side. Back leg is extended. Inhale, exhale. Breathing definitely helps to push through. Come down to the forearms for a deeper stretch. But to get even deeper, extend those arms. Stretch out even more. So that's another stretching option. Another option of functional movement is when you come up here, stretch those hips out. And that is all I have for you today. I thank you so much for tuning in, and let me know if this was very helpful in terms of you getting into the gym and squatting. And I appreciate you for watching. See you next time. Take care.